Many English learners are confused by pronunciation because English spelling is not logical. The same letter can have many sounds, and different letters can make the same sound. That's why guessing pronunciation often fails. Today, I will explain the IPA chart, a system that shows how English is actually spoken, not how it is spelled. What IPA is and what it is not. IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet. IPA does not change your accent. It does not make English harder. IPA is simply a map of sounds used by dictionaries and pronunciation teachers worldwide. Each IPA symbol represents one specific sound. How to read the IPA chart. The IPA chart may look complex, but it is highly organized. English sounds are divided into two main groups, vowels and consonants. Understanding these two groups makes the IPA chart much easier to use. Vowels, the mouth-open sounds. Let's begin with vowels. Vowels are sounds where air flows freely out of the mouth. Your tongue and jaw move, but air is not blocked. Listen and repeat. E as in see, E as in sit, A as in bed, as in father, as in cup, oo as in food. Important pronunciation tip: a bigger mouth opening creates a deeper vowel sound. A smaller mouth opening creates a lighter vowel sound. Consonants, the blocking sounds. Now let's look at consonants. Consonants are sounds where air is blocked or controlled by the lips, teeth, or tongue. Here are three important consonant groups. Stop sounds. Air stops, then releases.
P, B, T, D, K, G.
Fricative sounds. Air continues to flow.
F, V, S, Z, Th.
The nasal sounds. Air flows through the nose.
Mm, mm, mm.
These categories describe how English sounds are formed. Voiced versus voiceless. Now let's focus on a very important pronunciation concept: voiced and voiceless sounds. Some English sounds use your voice, some sounds do not. This difference depends on vocal fold vibration. Let's do a simple pronunciation drill. Place your hand lightly on your throat. First sound,
S, off, Z, on, F, off, on.
This drill helps you feel the difference, not just hear it. How to practice IPA without memorizing. You do not need to memorize the entire IPA chart. The best method is one sound at a time. Follow this process. See the symbol, hear the sound, feel your mouth and throat. Repeat slowly and clearly. IPA is a pronunciation guide, not a memory test. Real dictionary example. In English dictionaries, you may see this: /NUN.SI''EA.SHON/. This IPA transcription shows how to pronounce the word pronunciation accurately. That's why IPA is used in dictionaries worldwide. The IPA chart is not difficult. It is one of the most reliable tools for improving English pronunciation. In the next lesson, we will train voiced and voiceless sounds in detail, using clear drills and step-by-step practice. Practice daily and subscribe for professional pronunciation drills.